How to set up Visual Studio Code for C and C++ programming. Ready to start coding in C and C++ using Visual Studio Code. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your environment for these two programming languages, and let's get started. First, if you haven't done so already, download and install VS Code from code.visualstudio.com. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You'll need a C/C++ compiler to run your code, so for Windows, install MinGW by downloading it from mingw64.org. During installation, make sure to select the option to add it to your system path. For Mac OS, you can install Xcode command line tools, and for Linux, you can install the G++ compiler using your package manager. Next, open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X in the search bar. Type C or C++ and install the extension provided by Microsoft. This extension adds essential features like IntelliSense and debug and support. Now, let's create a new C or C++ file. So click on File, New File, and save it with a .c or .cpp extension. For example, main.cpp. In this file, write a simple program like this one, and this program will display hello world when run. To run your code, we need to configure the build and run tasks. So go to Terminal, configure default build tasks, and select C/C++ ..g++ build active files. This will create a tasks.json file in the .vs code folder. Next, go to Run, add configuration, and choose C++. This will create a launch.json file for debugging. Make sure the program path points to the output file from the build task. Finally, to build and run your program, press Ctrl plus Shift plus B to build the project, and after a successful build, go to the Run and Debug view and click the green play button to run your program. And that's it. You've successfully set up Visual Studio Code for C and C++ programming. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.